Vermont Supreme Court heard arguments today in a case involving a Vermont couple charged with possession of marijuana and mushrooms. Local 44's Devin Bates has more on why the ACLU of Vermont and the Attorney General are speaking out against those charges.
On August 12, 2018, a Richford couple was heading home when a Border Patrol agent stopped their vehicle and asked to search it. According to the ACLU of Vermont, the couple said no, and without a warrant, the agent ordered them from their car and searched the vehicle. They were both charged with possession of marijuana and psilocybin mushrooms. The ACLU is defending that couple and questioning the validity of that evidence in a state trial.
The Border Patrol could have, sent it to the federal prosecutor, and the federal prosecutor can do what they want with it. But instead, it is a Vermont prosecution in a Vermont state court, and they expect their rights to apply, and we believe they should.
Those rights being the Vermont Constitution, which requires a warrant to search a vehicle unless the officer has either consent or probable cause. The ACLU claims the agents had neither, therefore the evidence can't be used in a state prosecution. It's a viewpoint that Vermont Attorney General Donovan agrees with.
If Vermonters are prosecuted in Vermont state court, they are entitled to the full protections of the Vermont Constitution, which are greater than the federal protections, regardless of who arrests them.
Orleans County prosecutors argue the evidence should be considered valid in a state trial because it wasn't Vermont authorities that appeared to violate the couple's rights, and that Border Patrol handled the situation within the law. Donovan said that may be the case, but
we're just saying if this was a Vermont law enforcement official, they would have to get a warrant. And if it's going to go into Vermont court, it shouldn't matter who makes the stop or who makes the arrest. You don't get less rights because you live in Franklin County and Orleans County or Essex County than people that live in Chittenden County or Washington County.
The Vermont Supreme Court will weigh in with a written opinion in early 2021. Devin Bates, Local 44 News.